guys, it's Kurlina. Welcome back to another Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. In this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to layer and stack a 2-tier cake. If you're new to my channel, welcome, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Okay, let's get started. Starting off with my top tier, I'm layering and filling a 5-inch cake with some cream cheese frosting. And I'm using a cake board that's the same size as my cake, that is 5-inch. Once I'm done filling my cake, I'm going to add a crumb coat of cream cheese frosting to my cake and chill it for about 30 minutes. Once the crumb coat was set, I added a final coat of Swiss Meringue Buttercream to both cake and I'm smoothing it to the best that I can. I placed my top tier into the freezer for 20 minutes. Freezing the top tier makes it easier to stack so as you don't mess up with the buttercream. I'm going to do the same with my 6-inch cake layer, except this time I placed it onto an 8-inch board. Once the cake is nice and frozen, it's time to stack them up. I'm using my 5-inch cake pan as a guide to mark out where the top tier will go. And I'm adding 5 bubble tea straws to the bottom tier. This is just for some support, and I cut them flush to the cake. Then, using an offset spatula, I carefully place the top tier onto my 6-inch cake. I made this cake for my dad's birthday back in January and it was a little man style cake. So I'm then adding 2 strips of fondant at the bottom of each tier. Final details, I handmade a ribbon out of some white fondant and then I'm painting it gold, and I also made a few buttons which I painted gold as well. Then I'm painting each strip at the bottom of the tiers. And there you have it, how to layer and stack a 2-tier cake. And I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. You can always find me on Instagram and Facebook at Kurlina's Foodie Chronicles. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, spread the cake love.